Thanks for watching the Dr. Gilmore page. Check out the link below for Meta 7.
I always wonder what y'all can see when you look at it.
Yeah, you've got a big wax cerumen impaction in that
cool.
ear. Think you'll be able to get anything, Miss Jenny?
Let me try.
All right. Walter, are you okay if we video this exciting procedure?
Absolutely.
All right.
You say
Jenny
we
is
do
absolutely
for
the
me.
expert at removing cerumen, so we're going to let her get in there. How long have you had trouble with this wax buildup?
Don't move, honey.
On the other side, maybe
Don't move at all. Don't move. You can
Not
talk.
even letting you. She doesn't even let you
You can
talk.
maybe 7 to 10 days
Yeah.
You can talk.
since this popped.
Yeah.
Can you feel that?
But I've been putting peroxide in both ears.
Mm-hmm. Sometimes it's tough to get out. And you've had trouble with this left ear for a long time with it building up wax, right?
I don't know.
Can you feel
I
that?
didn't know I was having a problem there, but I was getting the wax out of that side for sure.
Yeah. You got it, Miss Jenny?
It's hard.
Is it real hard in
It's
there?
very hard in here. I can you feel it?
Yeah, I can feel it.
Yeah, I can feel.
Yeah.
You can feel I'm scraping it
That's
out
why I
of
didn't
here.
feel good about talking. I don't want to.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah,
that's
and even
okay.
though we use the softener, sometimes those wax plugs will form a concretion, which is basically a hardened block of wax and
Ouch.
sometimes dust.
It hurts, honey.
A little bit.
That's what he means by ouch, right? Hurts.
Hold on. Oh,
Oh, she's a rough one.
I'm not. I'm very. Just a little bit came out.
Okay, so just be very gentle. Looks like we can kind of see something right there.
Yes, sir.
No way.
Oh, wow.
It's a big baby.
No way.
Look at the size of that. Wow, Jenny, that's amazing. Okay, put that down. Put that
You have a
down.
bumblebee in your
Now,
My God. So that's what that was
This
it.
is how
Now that
good I
makes
am.
sense.
ear.
Look at the size of that.
That makes sense.
let me see. What's in there. What else in there? I think. Can you hear me well now?
Yeah,
You can hear it, can't you?
quite a difference.
I
That's
can see
amazing.
through.
How did
I
you
can
know
almost
that-
see through the other side.
How did you know that side was
Plugged
Plugged
up that
up.
much, yep.
Hi, I'm Rachel. And I'm Michelle. Today we'd like to tell you about Meta 7
Meta 7 will help you activate your life.
and get you where you need to be and through the day. Check it out. There's a link in the description below.
Hey folks, this is Watson. I just wanted to let you know that there is now a 1-year supply of Meta 7 available on Amazon at a huge discounted price. That's right, get America's best energy supplement for a bigger discount than ever. Retail price on 4 bottles is $360. Get it on Amazon for only $260 while supplies last. That's $100 off the retail price. Pick up yours today, it won't last long.